Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here, hope all is well. It is Friday, July 25th. The market closed 45 minutes ago. I just finished streaming about a half hour ago. If you were there, thank you so much for hanging out. If you weren't there, you missed out. I stream every single day from Power Hour to and through close. I also stream at other random times. I just never know exactly when I'm going to hop on. So if you want to not only watch me trade like a degenerate, but also hang out with some amazing people in the chat, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams when I go live. Anyway, I'm in my Bulenox account. I have 3 funded accounts. We got the leader and the 2 followers. I do have this eval. I didn't touch it. I was heavily focused on my Apex accounts during my stream. You should watch the replay because it was pretty awesome what I was able to accomplish. I'll leave it at that. But in the meantime, I have these 3. I could activate another one. They sent me the link, but I'm going to wait until Monday, I guess. I just didn't have a chance to activate it today. So I traded these 3 last night and I got them all up 469 bucks. I had as much as 685 in the trade I was in, but it just couldn't push any further. But you know what's funny? After I let myself get taken out, my take profit, which would have given me 810 across all 3 of these accounts, ended up getting hit. Of course. But whatever, I'll take 469. And then the market started acting funny during the overnight. So once I got that, I was like, you know what, I'm fucking done. And I locked myself out like a big boy. So look at where I'm at so far with this account specifically, because this one I've had a little bit longer than the other 2. I got 4 days in, so I need 6 more days. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? 4 days, I need 6 more. I'm closing in on the buffer. Obviously, I need to get to 4,100, which is where I want to be for max payout land. So I'm at 2,282. I need $1,818 over the next 6 days. How hard can it be? Seems easy enough, right? So that's that account. And these 2, I got the second day in for both of them because I activated these at the same time yesterday for yesterday's session. So all I need is 8 more days for these 2. How hard can it be? At least I know I could get the job done because I just got paid $4,500 across 3 different accounts. So I know I could get paid with Bulenox. I finally cracked the code. So let's just do it again. But I got a long ways to go, obviously. And it's hard to do with 10 days. It is. It is. I'm not going to lie. It's getting easier for me because I've done it. Now I know I can do it. I have the confidence. I've proven the concept to myself. I've done it before with Apex, but you got to grow the accounts pretty big with Bulenox before you can get a payout. So that's what I intend to do. I'm going to activate the other account that's sitting and waiting going into the next trading week. And just so you know, Bulenox is still doing 91% off until the end of the month. 91% off, 50Ks or bigger, option 1. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY, just click my link in the description below and put in my code when prompted to, or just log into your account if you're already trading with them and put it in when prompted to. You could get 50Ks. Option 1 for $15.75. The only account worth getting is the 50K. So if you want to take advantage of that, like I said, click the link in the description below. Put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're here watching this or hanging out on my streams or any of that is support enough, and I appreciate you regardless. So if you have any questions about Bulenox or anything in general, leave it in the comment section below. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams or any of my updates. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.